15 years ago, I got laid off. At the time, I had a family to support, almost nothing saved for retirement, and no clear plan for what came next. Since then, I spent years trying to build businesses, make money online, and create something more secure for my family and of course for myself too. Some things worked, some things did not. Most things did not, to be honest. I wasted a lot of time, made mistakes, chased ideas that went nowhere, and learned a lot the very hard way. But right now, after everything I've tried over the past 15 years, I honestly believe this is the opportunity, the biggest opportunity I've seen. And, and it's all because of AI. I'm not a programmer. I'm not an engineer. I did not grow up. I did not grow up using this technology. This is why I created this channel called Barely Technical. But I have learned that you do not need to be highly technical to use AI in a powerful way. Once you understand how to set it up, how to talk to it, and how to connect the right tools, it becomes surprisingly practical. Trust me. You could use AI to, create videos, build YouTube channels, help local businesses, sell your own services, sell other people's services, organize your work, research ideas, of course, produce content like what I'm doing right now, and to start a business that would require literally entire team just a few years ago. I am absolutely not saying it's easy money. It still takes work. You still need good ideas. You still need to solve real problems. And there is a lot of nonsense online from people promising AI will make you rich overnight. That's just not true. That is not what this channel is about. I am doing this because the stakes are real for me. I have twins in high school. One of my children is severely autistic and will likely need care long after, my wife and I are gone. And we do not have enough money saved up for college. You guys know how much college is nowadays. It's crazy. So yeah, we do not have enough money saved up for retirement as well. My wife owns a small business, but she's getting older too. And we know we cannot keep working the same way forever. So I need to build something. And maybe you're in a similar position. Maybe you're over 50 and worried and really truly worried that you started too late. Maybe you were laid off. Maybe retirement is closer than you expected, but your savings is nowhere near where they need to be. Maybe you need just a little extra income, but you don't want to start another exhausting job. Or maybe you simply see what is happening with AI and know deep down inside that you cannot afford to ignore it. That is who this channel is for. I'm going to share what I'm actually learning and building. I will show you ways to use AI with YouTube, online businesses, local businesses, which is our specialty, services, content creation, and other realistic, make that underline in bold, realistic income opportunities. I will show you the tools, the setups, the mistakes, the cost, and the results. When something works, I will show you. And when something fails, I will show you that too. I am not coming to you as a guru who already has everything figured out, because I don't. I am talking to you as someone in the same fight. Someone who's trying to catch up, create security, and take advantage of this opportunity before it passes. And I do believe that we're in the window right now, and the opportunity will definitely pass. I believe AI gives ordinary, non-technical people, just like me and maybe like you, more leverage than we have ever had before at our fingertips. And I want to find out how far we can take it. So if you're trying to build income with AI, YouTube, online business, or a real local business, especially later in life, subscribe to Barely Technical and let's find out together. Take care. Love you guys. Bye.